Now the question is there a way to find the answer faster than this? Okay, so let us look at this question from the for a multiple choice question, how to solve by elimination. This is what we are trying to understand from this question. So here, this question, as I explained, it looks to be very complex, and maybe you all know the way of solving it in the right way. That is by rationalizing the denominator, and the solution will look something like this. So here you have these 8 terms: 1 by 1 plus root 2, 1 by root 2 plus root 3, and so there are 8 terms. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 terms are there, and then you are rationalizing each of the above numbers separately, and then you can simplify it, and finally you get the answer 2. Now the question is there a way to find the answer faster than this by looking at the options? So first thing which should come to your mind is that each of these numbers are positive numbers. There are no negative numbers here. So obviously the first option, which is option A, which is 0, has to be wrong. So that can be eliminated very easily. Next point is, again, if you pay attention to each of these 8 terms, you can see each of these 8 terms, each of them are smaller than half. If you see this, 1 by 1 plus root 2 is definitely smaller than 1 by 1 plus 1, and similarly 1 by root 8 plus root 9. So root 9 is 3, root 8 is a number which is close to 3, so this number is more like 1 by 6, so definitely it is less than half. So each of these 8 terms are less than half, so the sum of these 8 numbers should be less than 4, because each of the 8 terms are less than half, so the sum has to be less than 4. So we can eliminate option D. So 2 options are already eliminated. Now we have 2 answers remaining, which is either 1 or 2, option B or option C. Now another way of looking at these ratios, each of these ratios are greater than 1 by 6. So why 1 by 6? If you look at this term, which appears to be the smallest term in the among these 8 terms, this is the smallest term. Why do you say it is the smallest term? Because the denominator is the biggest among all these terms. Because like I said earlier, 1 by square root of 8 plus square root of 9 is a number which is very close to 1 by 6. 1 by root 9 plus root 9, which is 1 by 3 plus 3, which is 1 by 6. So each of these numbers are greater than 1 by 6. So which means it is greater than 8 by 6. The sum is greater than 8 by 6, which is greater than 1. So you can also eliminate 1. So the answer remaining is 2. So this is how you solve a multiple choice question where it is possible by the benefit of the options. If you are able to eliminate, then you are able to at least get rid of some of the obvious wrong answers. For example, if you see the third option where you say each of the term is greater than 1 by 6, then this will automatically eliminate the first option also, because obviously if it is greater than 1 by 6 or greater than 1, obviously it is greater than 0. But why I listed it separately is just to show you that this is something which is very obvious, because this may not come to you very naturally. So at least looking at the option, looking at the terms, you can say very surely that it is a positive number. So 0 is definitely not an option. Okay.